It's finally springtime, and I like to make a new bird feeder. I don't want to use a typical design with typical supports. I'd like to make something a little more creative. An idea came to me the other day while watching a movie where the people were playing blackjack. The idea would be the ace of spades. I grabbed a pencil, went to the shop, drew out the ace of spades on a piece of plywood. I then took it over the bandsaw and cut it out. I used the Jimmy DeResta tip of using the scrap to draw out the other side. Once the first spade was cut out, I used it as a template to cut out the next one. Next, I cut out 4 strips so I could keep all the bird food in the bird feeder. Now with the strips to the right length, I went ahead and put glue and used the nail gun to attach it. After measuring and determining how long I wanted my roof, I cut 2 pieces and cut them at a 45-degree angle on the table saw. Next, I went ahead and glued my support pieces and then went ahead and used the nail gun to secure them. I chose to use a mahogany stain on this bird feeder as I really liked the look of it. This bird feeder wouldn't be complete without a perch for the larger birds. I took some scrap wood and cut out some small spades to give it a custom look. To make these smaller spades stand out, I mixed mahogany stain with black spray paint and it really made it look unique. There's nothing greater in this world than building something and seeing it actually get used. This was all free scrap wood that was laying around my shop. I'm glad I built it, and I hope it inspires you to go out and build something as well. Thanks for watching.